So may nag-discovered akong park. Yeah, it's called Leduc Peace Park. Ayan po. Habang ako'y nag-explore ng walking trail. So, hindi naman ako nagmamadali. Kaya, magpahinga muna ako at mag-snack muna. Leduc Peace Park is planted by youth for student of Black Gold Outreach School. So, let's explore the park. So there is bird feeder here. There's a chair. There's so many beautiful plants here. There's lots of garbage.